But we start here at 11 with the Houston police sergeant charged with crimes against children.
Tung Tran was in court this morning charged with sexual assault of a child and indecency with a child. Good morning and thank you for joining us. I'm Andy Sirota.
And I'm Lisa Hernandez. We're learning more about the charges against Tran. KPRC 2's Brittany Jeffers joins us live from downtown Houston with what was said in court this morning. Brittany?
Yes, he was in court today for an arraignment hearing, and that will be reset for the next 2 weeks so that Tran has time to hire an attorney. But in the meantime, his bond has been set at $260,000, and he has posted that. Now, earlier today, he did not have anything to say to our questions or cameras prior to that court appearance this morning. As you mentioned, the 23-year veteran of the Houston Police Department is facing 2 counts of aggravated assault of a child and 2 counts of indecency with a child. Those charges were read aloud in court today. Documents also read that allege that 50-year-old Tung Tran is accused of sexually assaulting a teenage girl during Christmas break of last year and physically molesting her during spring break. The documents allege that Tran bought the teen clothing and asked her to try it on for him. The documents go on to say that Tran was a friend of the victim's family and had gained their trust and was asked to drive the teenager to family business during those holiday breaks. And Jana Oswald with the district attorney's office responded to the seriousness of these allegations.
This is especially egregious here because of his position in this community as a Houston Police Department officer. The family and the child were aware of that, and that kind of power differential prevents a child from feeling that they can outcry when it's already a difficult thing to outcry to sexual abuse in general. When you have that power differential, it especially aggravates that process.
Yesterday, Houston Police Chief Troy Finner issued a statement saying in part, quote, "I am deeply troubled by the alleged actions of this 23-year veteran HPD employee who was immediately relieved of duty when the accusations were brought to our attention." Now, according to Houston Police Department, Tran has been relieved of duty with pay pending the outcome of this investigation. Now, also in the courtroom today, the judge was very clear that Tran must abide to his bond conditions. Some of those include the fact that he will be under house arrest and will have to wear a GPS tracking ankle monitor. Reporting live from downtown Houston, I'm Brittany Jeffers, KPRC 2 News.